Three major mistakes that I see freelance copywriting moms make. Let's talk about mistake number one, not charging enough. I'm a firm believer that your results determine your rates. You should charge to the level of the results you can get for clients. However, if you're a new freelance copywriter, this might mean that you think that you should work for free or charge very, very, very little in the beginning, regardless of the results that you can get. Here's why that's a bad idea. Not charging enough for your services means you'll be taking on more and more and more clients just to reach the level of revenue that you want. The more clients you have, the less time you're going to have to be able to spend on each project, and the less time you're going to have for the rest of your life, including your health, your sleep, your family, your kids. Pretty soon, you're out of hours in the day and you're still not making the level of income that you like. And your results aren't getting any better either because you no longer have the time to do your best work. It can be scary to think of raising your rates. You start thinking, gosh, I'm going to be turning away projects that could be money in my pocket. Undercharging when your copy can get results for clients keeps you stuck, broke, and burned out. And that is not going to help you grow your business or get the level of freedom and flexibility that you want in your life. The solution is simple. I didn't say easy, but it's simple. Raise your rates. Raise your rates starting immediately. For the very next client you have, charge more. And if you need to, practice saying your new rates in the mirror. Practice telling your partner or your husband what your new rates are. Practice telling your mom. Whatever you need to do to become familiar and comfortable with that number, because if you can get results, you deserve that rate. Follow me for more tips to help wordy mamas like me make more money as freelance copywriters so they don't have to settle for a JOB or an MLM.